Hello everyone, welcome back to Awesome SaamOnion. I'm Sugesh here with a new video. Beard and men. Men and beard. They are inseparable. If you're someone who loves to take care of your beard, this unboxing is for you. This is the first essential you should own for your grooming. We are also going to see some of the men grooming essential which I'm personally using in this video. That sounds interesting. Let's hop into the video. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe to Awesome SaamOnion now and press the bell icon for notification of new videos. So let's unbox this. This is better. Watch this video completely without skipping, my brother. I hope this will be helpful for your grooming needs. I know we Indian men don't really care for ourselves, especially when it comes to our skin, hair and grooming. But time has come. Give some me time for you. Give some time to care for you. So watch this video completely and share your thoughts in the comment section and give a thumbs up if you like this video. My brother, what comes to your mind when you think of your beard? A scissor? A razor? Trimmer? That's quite obvious. But the first and foremost thing what you need is a good mirror to maintain your solid rock beard. When it comes to beard grooming, no one ever said this on YouTube. I am your bearded buddy here to tell you this. Invest in a good mirror to maintain your hard-earned beard. And that too with a storage option. Keeping your things organized is a great gesture of your manhood. Let's see some of the products I personally use for my beard, face, skin and hair in this video. No product shown in this video or paid promotions. These are all personally used by me. And I hope this will be useful for your grooming as well. During ancient times in Greece, beards were a sign of honor. Prehistoric men also wore their beard as a sign of intimidation, much like the mane of the majestic lion. Since beards has an epic history, we'll see about beard care and maintenance at first. I use a trimmer from Philips for my beard grooming. Gillette Guard razor and Old Spice shaving cream. After shaving, lotion from Old Spice again. Beard growth oil cum beard oil from Bombay Shaving Company for your lustrous mane. Of course, you need a good scissor. And a tiny, nice and strong beard comb. Mustache and beard wax from Beardhood to keep them in place. And to get the perfect twill for your handlebar mustache. Come, let's see how I trim my medium long beard. Comb your beard well before you go for a trim. Cover your wash area before trimming. It really needs patience and concentration to trim your beard on your own. Trust me, when you start doing it on your own, you will get the desired style what's there in your mind rather than doing it on a salon. When you do it in a salon, the result could be good, but maybe the beard could be more shortened than you thought. It needs a lot of interaction to make the stylist understand what you really want. Though after all that interaction, the outcome of your beard and what you had in your mind could be way different. This happened most of the times to me. But when you do it on your own, you are the sculptor of your beard. Eventually, when you continue doing this activity, your level of patience will increase gradually. When you trim your beard, comb your beard to its full extent. I'm not completely shortening my beard, I'm just trimming off the edges. When you comb, the uneven extra hairs will be more visible and you can easily take them off. I'm just taking off the extra hairs in the edges. So coming back to the beard history we were talking, scientists believe that men grew long beards for three main reasons. First for warmth, and second for beard provides the face with protection from the elements, and a natural shield for the more delicate parts of the face around the mouth and lips. In ancient India and most Eastern culture, beards were venerated at a higher level than almost anywhere else. Long beards stood for dignity and wisdom, strength and courage, and this is often the case today as well. As the calendar rolls forward, men of today have taken their beards to the next level. But the difference with the modern man is that he wants to use the best products to get the best from his facial hair. You don't need to go to the battle without your best equipment. Why face the day with a poorly manicured beard? Let's keep your weapon nice, tight, and fully conditioned. My beard is more or less in a V shape. I'm in the process of growing it longer to get a square or a round shaped beard to make it more fuller. I'm aiming for a full beard. And then comes your mustache. Comb it to its full extent and carefully trim it over your upper lips so that it looks neat and clean.
Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to. All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Your relationships are never meant to last.
And to mark the line of your beard, don't mark it too higher or too lower. The easier way to mark a box shaped line is to use a scale or your unused credit card or debit card. This is an easy technique which will work like a charm. Trim a straight line on your sides to make it look more tidy. We are now going to take off the neck hairs, so comb it properly and mark a rough line with your trimmers. And I'm going to mark it straight since I'm aiming for a full beard, and you can also keep it as a curve. Hydrate with water and lather with shaving cream to make your beard soft, and it will be easy to shave it off.
All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Your relationships are never meant to last.
I'm trimming more to get a more square or a rounder full beard look. There you go, we are almost done. Apply aftershave lotion to keep your shaved skin softer, and that rich smell keep you fresh after you shave. After your bath, after your face wash, do not forget to apply beard oil. Take 4 to 5 drops, or the quantity depends on the fullness of your beard. Rub your hands well so that it produce heat, and that helps the oil to easily absorb into the skin under your beard. Keeps your beard nourished, shining, and with a good smell. Massage gently for a minute, and that will activate your hair follicles under your beard, and that makes way for good beard growth. Apply the beard growth oil over the patchy areas in your beard. By applying a beard growth oil, you can expect baby hairs on your patchy areas. Do not comb it with a sharp tooth comb, that will damage your root hair follicles of your beard. Have a separate tiny wooden comb for your beard, as I'm using in this video. Patience is the key to visibly see baby hairs growing on your patchy areas. So do not forget to apply your beard growth oil on your patchy areas, and gently massage it. Good hair day can keep you energized all throughout your day. Let's see some of the hair products I use. Vela shampoo for that extra volume boost. Beer shampoo from Park Avenue. Hair serum from Live On. Blow dryer from Philips. Apply hair serum to your damp hair before you blow dry. Keep the blow dryer in low mode and keep it as away as possible from your hair, and then start blow drying it. Blow dry downwards to get that extra volume boost, otherwise your hair will be flat. Choose the right comb with right bristles for your hair texture. Hair wax from Beardo. Having hair on the head itself is a big deal for middle-aged men these days. Then the question is, how can I keep my hair good looking? Will these products damage my hair? The answer is choosing the right product that suits you, using it in the right amount, and how do you use it. For example, do not put your shampoo right on your hair. Dilute your shampoo with ample amount of water and then start applying. And also go for a hairspray or a hair wax only when there is an occasion. Occasions like your wedding, functions, parties, a date night with your girlfriend, where your hair needs the maximum hold. Once you come back to home, do not forget to take off the product from your hair. That prevent your hair from damaging. Keep a water sprayer with you. I don't want you to take a bath at night in cold climate. There is a saying, first impression is the best impression. That first impression can come with your face. Let's see some of the products I use for my face and skin. Sunscreen from Lotus that gives a matte look and sunblock with SPF 40. Let's see how to properly apply a sunscreen. So I chose this one from Lotus because I wanted something which is not oily on my skin. Take a generous amount of sunscreen. Apply it evenly on your face. This sunscreen can give you a look of applying a foundation like a mildly applied makeup. SPF 30 is the most common level for most people and skin types. It is said that SPF 15 can block 93% of UV rays, and SPF 30 can block 97%, and SPF 50 can block 98% of UV rays. Spread the sunscreen evenly onto your face to form a mild thick layer. Leave it for 5 minutes. At that time, the sunscreen will absorb onto your face. Apply the sunscreen 15 to 20 minutes before you go out, so that it can give the utmost protection from the sun. If you're someone who ride bike with your cuff folded, your forearms may turn black. I use sunscreen from Himalaya for this purpose, which can easily spread over your skin, and that comes in an affordable price as well. Face wash and face cream from Fair & Handsome. Charcoal peel off mask from Beardhood. You can use this once or twice in a week. It can remove the dirt from your skin, keeping it tight and clean. This is a face scrub from Biotique. It's a good practice to scrub your face once a week, which can help in tan removal. Dark spot removal cream from NIVEA. Aloe vera gel. Applying this onto your face after a face wash at night can keep your skin nourished and clean. Body lotion from Vaseline and NIVEA. Do not forget to apply body lotion to your skin after you bath to keep it moisturized. So coming back to the origin, a good mirror can keep your grooming to the next level. Make sure you keep it clean as well. Give a thumbs up if you like this video and share your comments in the comment section. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel Awesome SaamOnion and press the bell icon for notification of new videos. I will see you in a different video. With that note, this is Sugesh, your Awesome SaamOnion signing off. Let's be awesome. Take care. Tada, bye bye.